What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dreadhead and Nerd, man. Been 2 years, I know. Long story short, man, I'm on my way to get locked right now, to get my starter locks. I was here 2 years ago. I didn't get them done by a loctician. I didn't like how they looked, so I ended up taking them out. I didn't have them for a long time. I'm about to keep them, man. My little brother got his, man. Shout out to his channel too. All my friends are motivating me to get them. So I'm about to go get locked up. I'm gonna show y'all the progress. I'm running late, so I didn't plan on making the video like this. The beginning part is rushed because she asked me while I was in the shower, could I come? As you can see. But so that's what I'm about to do, man. I'm gonna try to get y'all some videos of me there. It's about to be day one, man. Hope y'all stay on the journey, man. It's your boy Dreadhead the Nerd, man. Just wanna see how it looks. All right, I am back at the house, man. I got it done a couple hours ago. I went to get some food, but this is what it looks like, y'all, man. Take a look, take a look. Yes, sir. Front, the back. So I got my dreads done medium size. For if any of you guys want to get the same size dreads or wondering what I used, it was a medium size dreads, and the lady, I think she finger coiled. Or she comb coiled.
Comb coil.
I got it done. I didn't record her actually doing it, but I do got some clips. I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all now or before. I do have some clips of what it looked like during the process and after. The hair drying process didn't take that long, but it was hot as hell, and she did a good job. I really like it, man. She got it spaced out how I want, and they're gonna be dope, man. This is my brother, man. Y'all gotta check out his channel. He has been growing his dreads out since August, I think. So it's been about 2.5 months, and his junk is locking pretty fast. Yeah. And I believe he has 4B and I got 4C. We got a little bit different hair, so my hair is probably gonna lock up even faster. But if you want to check out his dreads, man, a little bit longer, go check his channel out. It's King. But yeah, man, hope y'all stay with the journey, man. I like where I'm at. I waited because I didn't want to have my dreads super short. Last time I did it, they did my hair and it was just small and pulled back. I didn't feel like dealing with that. But if you can stick it out, because your hair will grow and you will catch other people even faster. But I can shake it a little bit, man. Like I said, I like it. So I will be updating y'all soon, dropping some other videos. Make sure you leave a like, man. Let me know, do you like the dreads? Is it a go? Is it a no-go? All right, man, it's your boy checking out. I'm out.